Ito yung kumbaga sa mga binata, ito yung kilabot ng Koluyala.
Heart trap ng tao.
Heart trap. Okay, kaya tinatawagan natin si Joshua. Yay!
Palapakan naman natin siya.
Number 10.
Nung kaya Valentine's Day, pinakita ko yung
You keep taunting me. I will feel that space inside. No sense of pretend. All is not magic. Just when I thought I was over you. Just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories come crashing too. And I just can't. Won't be love you. I can't just see the pain, but only you can stop the rain. Can't live without you. Everything about you. Just when I thought I was over you. Just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories come rushing to. And I just can't. It's just so good without. It's just so good without you. Without you. Without you.
Ayan.
Palakpakan!
Napakaganda ng boss.
Siyempre, yan yung heart trap.
Kung hindi na ako makakasuhan ng shout out, iuwi ko na yan.
Pahay ka ba, iuwi ka ni Ate Lea? Iuwi ka ba niya?
Mag-aarali ko na lang.
Okay, tuloy-tuloy na. Tawagin